Hello po. Kumusta na sa inyo lahat? Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi. Saan man po kayo naroon. At sana po ay okay na okay lang kayo. Narito po ako sa labas ng aking building. At mag-vlog ako. We have a snowstorm last night. And here we are. This is what happened. This is what's going on. And I'm going to buy gloves and dollar store. Oh boy, this is no good. I don't know if I can come out. Because I park right there. See, I'm wearing these socks. So I'm going to dollar store and buy one. No good, eh? Sometimes it's good to having fun like this, eh?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's once in a blue moon. So while you'll be enjoying it. Look at that. Everywhere. The snow is piled up. And I have to remove my glasses because it's fogging my, because I'm wearing mask. Look at that. Oh my god. How can you get off in here if they don't clean the snow? I don't know if I can come to work. There's no classes. The school is closed. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm facing with the wind. So I'm having a hard time walking. It's really shaking. I don't think. Oh boy. This is too deep. You got the wrong one. Oh boy. I don't know if I'm going back. This is not a good idea. Oh boy, wherever I go. Okay, let me try. I'm here anyway. Why not? Oh boy! No good, no good. I'm sinking. Ah, it's too deep. Look. Ah, now I'm walking backwards. No good, no good. Oh, shoot. I think I'm going to buy gloves first. My hands is frozen already. Oh no good. this one doesn't happen too often in Toronto. It's only when we have a storm. Oh boy. Oh shit. Oh. Oh good. 2 many people, they cannot go to work. People working at home, they're lucky. Oh boy. I don't know if this store is open. In here is not bad. But over there, oh my god. Oh, how about over there? If it's gonna be every day like this, no good. Cars will be stuck. I'll make sure if I'm going out today to work, I'll bring shovel. Because my car is a Toyota Corolla and it's what? It's light. So when you go with this kind of snow, no good. Because I don't have the snow tire. Snow tire. I never changed one. Oh boy. Oh, ang lamig. This is no good. Gantong malamig, ang virus buhay na buhay. Kaya iingat kayo. I have lots of friends. What time is it? Oh, 11. So, oh boy. Seems the Chinese store is closed. So how much more the dollar store will be open? I don't think it's open. Oh my god. Is it open? No, they're closed. Look. See? See, this car is stuck. Too bad I cannot help. because I don't have gloves. Let me see if I buy one. Is it open? Seems it is open or closed. Uh-oh. Parang closed din eh. Tingnan ko nga. Oh, it's open. Oh my god. My hand's frozen. Hello, sir. These are the section of gloves.
Yeah, the only section. Yeah.
Everything is here.
Yeah, everything.
Oh boy. This is like for women, eh? It's okay, I'm gonna cut my video here. I have to buy gloves first.